And now we're going to measure the pH and parts per million of the water. So you can take the water from the tap, or I like to take one of these and take it out of the same hole. It's just easier. You don't need a lot, just a little bit, and then we can put it in a jar. And then you can stick one of these things. So first we're going to take the pH. You can wiggle it around to make it a little faster. And now this one's sitting at about a 6.4445 range. And then I'm going to switch it and measure the parts per million of it. This one's sitting at about a 801. And that's it.